Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I have a special one for you all today. I am going to be starting the wrapping of the car. So I was going to start on the mirror caps today, but unfortunately due to the weather, it's raining right now and my shop does not have power currently. So we're going to start with the inside. So I'm going to start by removing the center console panels basically, and we're going to be wrapping this wooden part right here. So we're going to be removing this today, this wooden piece right here. To do that, I think, so actually I've never done this before. We have to take out this piece, this will come up, and then we'll be able to pop this off. But first I have to get all this wire out of here and clean it up a little bit. So let's go. Bingo. And we got it. All right, guys, we finally got it out. Now, this is actually really cool. This is really neat. Man, we're gonna be wrapping this whole thing in carbon fiber after we clean it up a little bit. Now, have I ever wrapped anything before? No. So this is gonna be a first for me. I'm just gonna probably wrap it right over it. What we can do right here is we can actually start wiping it off though. I'm gonna go get some cleaner really quick. I'm gonna go grab the cleaner and I'll be right back. We're gonna give this a good spray down real quick. I know usually you don't do this inside the car, but you always want a clean surface when wrapping, that's for sure. If I don't know anything else, I know that a clean surface is very important, so it'll stick to all the surfaces. All right, so that's nice and wiped down. It's all good there. We'll put this in the back seat for right now. You know, that was actually a lot easier taking off than I thought it would be. Now this little piece right here I know pops off because that's how they got the radio out. So I'm curious to know how they actually got it off though. So we finally got this off right here. We're just working our way around now. You must be like, oh, you know exactly what you're doing. Well, guys, guess what? I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I have no clue what I'm doing actually. I am just figuring it out as I go actually. So this is actually a ton of fun. I enjoy doing this kind of stuff, so. Yep, there's the airbag error. That's fine. And there's that piece right there. There's the piece right there that we're gonna be wrapping too. I'm excited for this. This is cool. I've never taken this car this much apart yet. Now I just gotta get this side done right here. So if you ever do a trim removal job, always have trim removal pieces, just so you can do it properly. Definitely do not want to lose that in there. But, oh, that was important. And that just went way down there. Wow, that just went bye-bye. Hopefully, I don't need that for controlling this little guy. If it's just a hold in, and make sure that the electronics still work. Whoopsie daisy, that might have just been a clip holder. I really hope that was. I think it was because this is, I hope it was at least. If it was, it's fine, I'm not worried about it, but I gotta make sure. Yep, we're good. All right, cool. Yeah, we should be good, I think. That thing just might not stay in there as tight anymore, but it'll stay in there tight enough for me. I don't know what that I dropped. All right, guys, so we removed this piece over here, this whole piece right here, all along there, and the center console. So We have all the pieces in the back seat right now. I'm gonna start there today. I don't know about these side pieces yet, the side trim. I'm gonna work on those maybe another day. I'm gonna start with this and see how it looks, and we'll go from there. So we're gonna to the office and I'll see you all there. Time is finally here. We're in the office. Got our pieces. I think I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna start by wrapping this one. We're gonna be using this wrap right here, Vivid Premium Wrap. It's black carbon. Panel is done. Not bad at all. Not bad. I'm excited to see what it looks like in the car. Next, we're going to do this panel right here. So we've got the main center dash piece, and we have the light cluster piece right here. So I'm gonna go and wrap those, and I'll update you all when I'm done doing that, and then we'll go ahead and install them in the car, and I'm really excited to see what they look like. So stay tuned for that. I'll be right back. It is finally that time. We are done wrapping. Here's the pieces right here. So yes, I did leave this black. I'm gonna see how it looks for a little bit. see if I like it because I left this black as well. So we're gonna see what it looks like. I may wrap it, I may not, but let's go install this in the car. Back in the car, and we are actually going to install these trim pieces now. I gotta start by disconnecting this start button here real quick. The process of getting the wrap done was not that bad. Alright guys, this is actually where we're going to be ending the video. All the carbon fiber is installed on the trim panels. As far as the dash and the center console go, I think it looks pretty good. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. I think it looks a lot better than the wooden look to the trim. But yeah, let me know down below. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, do all that stuff. Next video is going to be the carbon fiber mirror caps. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.